Is it possible to get a powerful, all-in-one business communication system on your iPhone without paying a dime? We're talking about a phone system, video conferencing, and team messaging all wrapped up in one app, available anytime, anywhere. Today, we're diving deep into that very question. Is RingCentral free on iPhone? For anyone who's ever looked into business communication software, RingCentral is a name you've probably seen. It's a massive player in the unified communications as a service or UCaaS space. They're known for their robust features, scalability, and ability to handle everything from a small startup's needs to a large enterprise's complex operations. But all that power and functionality often comes with a price tag. And for a lot of small business owners, freelancers, and entrepreneurs just starting out, that's the big question. Do you have to pay a monthly subscription to use RingCentral on your iPhone? Or can you get a free ride? The short answer is yes and no, and the distinction is incredibly important. You can absolutely download the RingCentral app on your iPhone for free. The app itself doesn't cost anything to get from the App Store. But simply having the app on your phone doesn't give you all the features RingCentral is famous for. Think of it like this. Downloading the Netflix app is free, but you still need a subscription to watch movies. RingCentral works in a similar but slightly more nuanced way. Here's where it gets interesting and where the yes and no answer really comes into play. RingCentral offers a specific, completely free product called RingCentral Video Pro. This is a powerful, standalone video conferencing and team messaging solution. And yes, you can use this on your iPhone for free. With RingCentral Video Pro, you can host video meetings with up to 100 participants, get unlimited video calls, and use built-in team messaging to chat with your colleagues. It's a fantastic solution for remote teams, project-based collaboration, or just keeping in touch with a group of friends or family. It's a legitimate, no credit card required free plan that gives you a taste of what the RingCentral ecosystem can do, and it's a big part of their appeal. But if you're asking about the full RingCentral experience, the one with the business phone number, the advanced call management features, the unlimited domestic calling and texting, that's where the free ride ends. The flagship product, what they now call RingEX, is a paid service. The RingCentral app on your iPhone acts as the mobile extension of that service. It allows you to make and receive calls from your business number, access your company's directory, manage your voicemail, and participate in all the other features of your paid plan, all from your iPhone. So, to be crystal clear, the RingCentral app is free to download, and their RingCentral Video Pro product is free to use with limited capabilities. But if you want a dedicated business phone number, the ability to make and receive calls and texts, and access to all the advanced features that make RingCentral an industry leader, you will need to subscribe to one of their paid plans. Let's break down what those paid plans offer so you can understand what you'd be missing out on with just the free app. A RingEX plan, their main business phone system, includes a host of features that are essential for most modern businesses. You get unlimited calling within the US and Canada, a business phone number, voicemail to text, and team messaging. As you move up to more advanced plans, you unlock features like call recording, multi-level auto attendance, and integration with CRM tools like Salesforce. These are the kinds of tools that transform a simple communication app into a robust, professional business platform. And your iPhone, with the RingCentral app installed, becomes a powerful mobile office, seamlessly integrated with your desktop and other devices. The beauty of this model is that it lets you try before you buy. You can download the app, create a free RingCentral Video Pro account, and get a feel for the interface and the quality of their video and messaging services. You can see how easy it is to switch between desktop and mobile, and how a unified platform can streamline your communication. Then, when your business grows and you need a dedicated business line and more advanced features, you can easily upgrade to a paid plan, all within the same app. It's a smart strategy from RingCentral. They've created a free-to-use product that solves a real problem for many users, the need for simple, reliable video conferencing and team messaging, while also serving as a gateway to their more comprehensive paid offerings. So, for the small business owner who's only just started, the freelance consultant who needs a professional video meeting tool, or the remote team that needs a central place to chat and meet, the answer to, is RingCentral free on iPhone? Is a resounding yes, for what you need right now. And for the growing company that's ready to take the next step, it's also a yes, and the app will scale with you. So, whether you're just looking for a free way to run video meetings or you're considering a full-fledged business phone system, your iPhone can be the foundation. The RingCentral app is the key to unlocking these capabilities, and the best part is that you can start exploring some of their most popular features right now without spending a single penny. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.